What does the kitty say? What does the sheep say? What does the doggy say? What does a bear say? What does a froggy say? What does a bird say? What does a bunny say? Hop, hop. Hop, hop. What does a kitty? Ah! No. No. All done, book? All done? Not for your mouth. How many books you have up there? I think we need to clean up books. Ready to clean up? No. What'd you find? Ball? Ball, ball? Ball, ball? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What are you gonna do? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no? What do we do? Oh no? What? 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 More? Say help. Help. Help that one. Help. There you go. You all done books? No. What is that? Oh, a monkey. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Baby. And a baby. 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 Let me see. Oh, monkey. Yeah. Baby. Monkey. Where's your Elmo book? Where's Elmo? Where's Elmo? What do you say? Help? Who's this guy? Who? Elmo. I think we need to clean up books. Clean up books. Clean up books. All done books. Oh. Oh. You're rotten. Who'd you find? Elmo. Elmo. You found another Elmo? Elmo spaceship. Say bye-bye.